If you are a red velvet lover, this video is for you because this will literally change any narrative you have of red velvet. And if you know you don't even like red velvet at all, you need this recipe because it would also change your narrative. Let me take you through the ingredients you're going to be using. Firstly, you're going to be making use of one egg. You'll be using mix of sugar. We have all here. I'm using flavorless oil. We have white vinegar. We have flavor. We also have buttermilk here. We also have cocoa powder. We have the combo of baking powder, baking soda, and salt. We have our flour. Now, I made my buttermilk in the easiest way, the normal way of you have the milk, you add in the vinegar and all of that. All the description of this recipe would be put down below, so make sure you check it out. So I started by combining my wet ingredient. I did the egg, the oil, the flavor. I mixed that very much together. I added in my oil at this point. I mixed that, to form the base of my wet ingredient. At this point, guys, you're gonna feel it. Then I poured in my buttermilk mixture. I whipped that together, just to make sure it's well incorporated. And then I added in a teaspoon of white vinegar. I combined the dry ingredient at this point. I added the flour, the cocoa powder, and the combo of baking powder, baking soda, and also salt. I sieved that into the combo and I give that a lovely stir and a lovely mix. You don't need to like mix too much at this point. I'm gonna drop some safety tips below. So guys, at this point I made a full cake using the red velvet and also the vanilla. For those that don't know the vanilla recipe, I'm gonna drop a link down below, so get the vanilla recipe. I baked on medium heat, and trust me guys, this recipe is just absolutely perfect. And if you are gonna try this out, make sure you try it out. For those that are new here, I am Fawaz the Cake Boy. I'm a digital creator and a content creator. So if this sound is interesting to you, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. I will see you in another video. Love you.